I'm Professor Savita Bodke and welcome to the quick revision series of International Finance. In the today's lecture, we are going to study regarding the inverse rate. Now for this inverse rate, we have to remember a simple formula that bid is equal to the 1 divided by ask and ask is equal to the 1 divided by bid. Now they have asked you the one question, 1 GBP is equal to the USD 1.7412 slash 1.7418. Now simply you have to convert this into the inverse rate. So we are already having the formula that bid is equal to the 1 divided by the ask. So simply 1 divided by, we are going to put this amount of ask, that is 1.7418. So we will get the bid is of 0.5741. Now the ask, the formula is ask is equal to the 1 divided by bid. So it is 1 divided by 1.7412. So you will get the ask is of 0.5743. Now please remember that the inverse rate, what will happen in the inverse rate? Here they have given you 1 GBP is equal to the USD. Now we have converted this in the inverse rate. So simply remember that whatever currency you are having at the first position, it will occupy the second position, and whatever the currency you are having at the second position, that will occupy the first position. So while writing the final answer, you have to place the second currency at the first position. So it will become USD GBP. Already we have computed the bid rate. So as per the rule, always you have to write down bid rate first, that is 0.5741 slash the ask rate is always at the second position. So that's why that is 0.5743. I hope that this concept of inverse rate has been clear to you. Keep watching my lectures for the further numericals of the international finance. Thank you so much.